What's up, it's QueenSit, and I am getting ready to head out and go to Kansas City. Alright, so I'm getting ready to hop on my road glide. It's just a quick trip. It's about 3 hours away. So I just want to do a quick getaway. Got my new heated gloves, and I really want to try these out. So I'm doing a short trip just to see how they hold up in the cold winter weather. So it's like 35 degrees out here today in St. Louis. And we're going to take a 3-hour trip to Kansas City. So let's go. I appreciate y'all. Shout out to everybody. Make sure you grab your QueenSit shirt, beanie, sticker, whatever you want from my store. Link in the description below. And if you want to know where I get my jackets from, my pants from, my socks, my heated gear, any of that, I link everything in the description to Amazon. The whole point of this trip is to test out the new heated gloves. So right now I have them on the low setting and I already can feel them. Super excited about it. So yeah, we out. Yeah. For my pants, I have on some sweatpants to be comfortable on the road trip.
In 3/4 of a mile.
I'm gonna turn right here.
Turn right onto Mattis Road.
So I have on sweatpants so I can be comfortable. Sometimes when I wear jeans, it cuts my circulation off. So yeah, I got on sweatpants today, and over the sweatpants I have my winter bibs, and they have kept me warm. I've rode in chaps and all kind of gear, and I would say these are by far the best ones. So for me, because it has a little rain sleeve or little material that goes over your boot. All right, I just filled up for the first time. It was $11.91. I was all the way on E, I believe. I got my bag packed. Over here, I just got my gloves, my heated gloves. They're actually working perfectly. My hands are fine. I think that's for the pressure from holding the throttle, the clutch too hard. I mean the grip. Over here, I have my bike cover. Yeah, and that's it. So get ready to go in here, grab some food, some Burger King, and yeah, we're gonna make it happen. All right, so I'm a little cold, and I'm gonna tell you why, but I'm gonna get some hot chocolate. I love hot chocolate. It's so cold. So the little cappuccino machine. Get some Hershey milk chocolate. Normally we get this, but I don't want my stomach to be hurting. So we're gonna stick with the hot chocolate. Alright. And then yeah. Alright, so now I have some hot chocolate. And then we're gonna go to Burger King. And we're gonna grab something to eat so I can continue this road trip. Alright. Let me tell you why I'm so cold. I forgot to wear my thermal layer that goes under my outfit. So I have an outfit from Amazon, and it traps the heat inside of my body, and it does all this stuff. But I forgot to put that suit on, so I'm kind of cold. I'm colder than when I went to Atlanta, but it's not horrible because my hands are warm today because of the heated grips and gloves. So, but my body is definitely cold, so I have to pull over and eat. Definitely don't forget to wear your under thermals. Like, oh my god, how did I forget that? And I definitely noticed a difference right away after about an hour, I should say. So we're about two more hours left. It's getting dark, so I'm gonna hit the road. All right, so I'm gonna eat. So after about 4 hours, I made it to Kansas City, sat down on the couch and tried to defrost because my toes were frozen. So after I warmed up, my friend and I went downtown Kansas City to see what we could find. Hey, we in Kansas City. Tell the people where we at. We at Florida. Period. we got some pizza. It's about to go down. Let's go. Woo! Alright, y'all. So I got half pineapple, half spinach, and I think this is called a Detroit style pizza. So I'm out here in Kansas City at a place called Providence, and yeah, we're gonna see how good it is. Really nice menu, super dope environment. Alright, y'all. So I forgot to explain. This is a Detroit style pizza, and it looks like they put the sauce on top. Yeah, so in the comments below, let me know if you ever had a Detroit style pizza or pizza where the sauce is on top, you know? So I'm finna try it out. I'll let you know how I like it. Pineapples over there, spinach over here, all right? What's good, YouTube family? Hey, so I'm in Kansas City. I just went out. You just saw this dope pizza I got. Super dope, cool spot. I'll definitely be back in Kansas City. Definitely enjoying myself. So anyway, today is the next day, and I don't know if I told y'all, but when I was on my way here, my toes were frozen. So I had the heated gloves by Harley, and they worked 100%. I mean, my hands were so warm when I got here, and it was just amazing. But my feet, like literally, when you touch my toes, they were frozen, like ice cold. So we had to make some changes, and I realized I left some things. I think I told you at Burger King, but I didn't have an under thermal suit. So normally I wear that shirt and the pants that have the sweat wicking and windproof and all that good stuff. So anyway, I went to Cycle Gear today, and I just picked up the warmer freeze out one-piece suit. So here it is. It's probably gonna look kind of silly, but I need it. So this is gonna help me on my ride back to St. Louis. So I'm actually gonna call this a mini review on it. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you've had this suit and how you feel about it. I'm curious. And I also got the socks. So these are the warmer socks because my toes were frozen. And it says it's breathable, windproof, wicking, and all that good stuff. So we're gonna see how it hold up. All right, what's good? It's the morning, Saturday morning. Getting ready to head out. Got the freeze out warmer suit on. Feeling like a superhero a little bit. I kind of like it. I think I got a size too small, so I might get a bigger one next time. I don't know, but getting ready to hop. What's the weather like? 40? 42. 42 degrees, so we got a little warmer temperature, so it's the perfect time to leave out. So I'm headed to St. Louis. Make sure you watch this. I'm getting ready to show you how we head back in style, baby. Let's go. Overwatch bag with me. This is where all my clothes are. I got some shoes, clothes, computer chargers, and all this stuff. I think it's in that bag, but yeah. And all you gotta do, make sure you check out my video. I'll put the little capture card up here. But all you gotta do right here is strap these. And fit it in, close it through the bottom. All right, so once again, I'm gonna show you how to hook up these heated gloves. And we gonna connect it right here, kink. And then we're just gonna plug these little parts up. It gives you left and right. You know what I'm saying? So right hand, plug that up. Who actually is me? Left hand, we're gonna plug that up. We ready to go. A lot of people been asking about this helmet too, real quick. It's pretty cool. It fogs up when it's cold for sure, but you can get some inserted in the inside. And right now I think I'm gonna get a Harley helmet soon, so it's okay. I like it. I like to switch things up. Microphone in case I get a phone call. Close it. Yeah! I think we're good to go. Strap your helmet, of course. Boom, and there we have Apple CarPlay, baby. Maps, and guess where we going? St. Louis, home. And it tells you right on the screen, 3 hours and 40 minutes. And I'm gonna click it.
Starting route to home. Proceed.
So as I got on the highway and I was headed home, I noticed a Harley Davidson, outlaw Harley Davidson, and I decided to pull over and stop because something I like to do when I'm out of town is stop at the Harley Davidson dealerships if time permits. So I'm going to stop in and see if I can find anything to take back home with me. What's up, YouTube, baby? Hey, we at Worth Harley Davidson. Right now, I'm going to stop in, see if I can see some bikes, see if I can see something cool. A wallet chain, a t-shirt or something, but I can't stay long because I'm trying to beat the sun down. So we about to just run in here and see what we can find. All right, let's go. All right, y'all, we at Worth Harley Davidson. I've been here before, I think 10 minutes in here. 10 minutes at the most. Because I ain't even supposed to be buying nothing. Hey, how you doing? Well, let's see what we got. All right. Pretty dope, you know what I'm saying? What's good, YouTube? We are at Worth Harley Davidson, and right now we got Maddie here, and she's helping me find some patches. Y'all, look at this. I literally have to get all of these. We're gonna put them on hats, we're gonna put them on jackets, sweatshirts. I got a hat perfect for this. I'm gonna have my mom sew these on. You know, she has her own clothing line, so shout out to Maddie for helping me out. And then I'm gonna check out this hoodie she has on. Not hoodie, but a jacket on this.
Yeah, it's fleece life.
Oh my God, so y'all, I'm in here about to spend a little bit of money. Not too much, but we're going to have some fun before we head back to St. Louis, all right? So shout out to you. Thank you so much, and I appreciate it. Stop in and say what's up to Maddie at Worth Harley Davidson. Let's go. All right, y'all, we're getting all the patches that you just had to take them with me. I looked at the jacket. I'm going to look it up online because I can't take all of this gear off, and I need to try it on, so hopefully you can find it online. And they had it on sale here at Worth Harley Davidson if you come through. Boom, man, look what Maddie came through. Y'all have to come into Worth Harley Davidson, Kansas City. Check out Worth Harley Davidson. Maddie hooked me up with 2 dope shirts, man. I'm so geeked about it. Oh my God. I didn't unfold this, sorry. Oh God, man, hey, let's get it. Look at that. Kansas City's most wanted. I'm so excited. Shout out to Maddie. You gotta stop in to see him, y'all. Let's go. So after a long trip, I finally made it back to St. Louis, where I went home, defrosted, checked out some of the stuff I got from Outlaw Harley Davidson, and just reflected on an amazing trip. Shout out to you all for staying this long. Make sure you like, subscribe, stay with me. It's QueenSit, and get ready for the next trip. Let's go. Shout out to Outlaw Harley Davidson for this dope t-shirt. Shout out to Maddie there. I appreciate it. Go check them out in Kansas City, baby.